Most of the time of our life is wasted in thinking about the things that we want to do instead of actually doing them. There are 86,400 seconds in a day. The thing that makes a difference is how you're going to use those seconds. It is very easy to have faith and to be brave when the things are working out. But the actual bravery is when things seem to be difficult, but you still fight for something that you want. Everything worth the price is worth the fight. You may say that you have tried for a 5 times or for a 10 times, but you haven't seen an outcome. But when you are hungry for something, when you really want to achieve something, and when you really want to change your life, then you probably won't give up even if you try for 100 times. The reality is, you can do it if you want it. All that you need to have is a desire. If you feel like giving up, think about what you strive for. The happiness that you get after achieving it is worth waiting and worth fighting. You will be knocked down in the process, but get up and fight for it. Dig deep and know your strength. Discover yourself and work for it. You talk about it, you dream about it, but when are you actually going to do it? Wake up now and work for the thing that you're dreaming of. Follow your desires. Nothing precious comes without a price. Your price here will be your effort. In a long term, your hard work surely pays off. In the end, everything that you want will be in your hand and you will be in a place which you always wanted to be in. If you lose hope and lose your strength to fight for it, then remember that the setbacks are not always negative. They come into your way to guide you and to strengthen you. But you will be able to see them and learn a lesson from it if you are open-minded about it. If you don't dare to attempt it every time you fail, then you will end up being ordinary, and settling for ordinary is not a quality of a successful person. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to people who go out and get them. Do it before it's too late. Do it because you're capable of doing it. And do it because you want it. I want you to know that if you do what you always did, then you will get what you always got. Whatever you see as the bitter trials are actually blessings in disguise. Most of the times, you stop trying again not because you fail, but because you're afraid of going through that adversity again. Make the failure, make the fear and adversity your friend. Learn from them and fight for achieving your goals because you can do it.